Welcome. In this lecture, we'll do the quick highlights in the Kurukshetra March edition that was there. So, this edition actually focused on the union budget along with the idea of Viksit Bharat. So, let's focus on some of the key highlights that was discussed. The first was the budget analysis. Now, this budget analysis we have already covered in the Yojana as well. So, you can refer that for more details. Now, the most important thing was the three Kartavya, the economic acceleration, capacity building, and equal access. And then the statistics on budget, as we said, we have already covered in the separate lecture. Now, talking about the major reforms, the first one leads to the MSME sectors, which is the small and the medium enterprise. Now, here there has been a growth fund of 10,000 crores, 200 heritage cluster revivals, champion MSME initiative being launched, and corporate mitra in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. The next is in the field of textile. There has been a free trade agreement with UK, EU, and US. Natural fibers, mainly jute, silk, and wool, have been focusing for self-reliance. There are mega textile parks which have been established for employment generation and export opportunities. And then a national fiber mission has been launched with modernization and cluster for machinery and technology, and Samarth 2.0, the craft village tourism. The next is cooperatives. Under cooperatives, there has been a tax relief on oils and food supply. We have seen huge number of cooperatives working with milk. There has been a new initiative for cooperatives in the form of Bharat Taxis, which has also been launched, which we have covered separately. There is another, the NCEL export support of nearly 450 crores, and the PACS computerization for cooperative societies, cooperative training, and 5 university township projects which have been given. The next is युवाओं का सपना को नई दुनिया, that is the Bharat Vistar scheme, through which there is a virtual integrated system for technology, agriculture, and allied resources, multilingual AI platform, real-time advisory for production, marketing, and decision making, empowering the youth, skill development focusing mainly on the creative technology. So similar to IITs and IIMs, there is IICT which has been established in July 25, which talks about audiovisual labs, and AVGC labs in nearly 1500 schools and 500 colleges to be established. Employment to education is another important aspect. Besides this, there are schemes like Lakpati Didi scheme, which has been released, Khadi Gramodyog, one district, one product, programs for weavers, rural youth to empower them through Mahatma Gandhi Gram Swaraj program. Now, Harit फलों से ग्रामीण समृद्धि, this talks about the rural prosperity through green initiatives like climate resilient agriculture, which includes high density crops like almond, pine nut, walnut, 6-year mission for climate resilient pulses, and 500 fishery integrated development plan. For finance and GST reforms, there has been GST relief for cooperatives, mainly for animal feed and cotton seed. Credit linked subsidies have been released. Nariyal Protsahan Yojana for coastal coconut farmers, green logistics, which includes 20 new national waterways to be established, water transport share rising from 6% to 12% by 2047, which is the goal for Viksit Bharat. The next is manufacturing of electronics and semiconductors at a very high focus with solar mini grids and decentralized renewable systems. Now, animal husbandry, dairy, and fishery as some of the major sections under which Rashtriya Gokul Mission, Rashtriya Dairy Vikas, Pashu Swasthya and Rog Control, then KCC and cooperatives, where digital KCC via Jan Samarth portal, FFPOs for women-led support nationwide and benefiting the coastal population has been some of the major aspects. So these are some of the key things that we have discussed in the section on Kurukshetra so far. The next is women's development, which talks about gender budget, Balika Chhatravas, She Mart, Mission Shakti, and Lakpati Didi. Then there is the Seeds Act. Now, Seeds Act actually replaces the outdated Seed Act 1966. There are QR code for every commercial seed packet which is available to trace it fully. Now, farmers have their rights protected. There are some of the important schemes like PM Kisan, PM Krishi Sanchay Yojana, Fasal Bima Yojana are some of the important ones. Then establishment of agricultural universities and enhanced quality control for seed production. Bhavishya Unmukt Arthvyavastha. So basically talking about the AI and the data sector. So focusing on AI data centers, then under the national digital infrastructure, electronic manufacturing, full ecosystem, total commitment for the same, and biopharma Shakti, which talks about 5 years for biologics and biosimilars, 3 new national pharma education and research institutes which would be established over the years, and 1,000 plus Indian clinical trial sites being established for global research and development. So new NIPER, 3 new NIPERs being established as one of the important aspects, and more than 38,000 institutions which are supporting AI-led research. The next is Majboot Gramin infrastructure, which talks about the Jal Jeevan Mission, the PM Awas Yojana Gramin, rural electrification, BharatNet, which is the internet connectivity in rural areas, VBG Ramji Act, and then PM Gram Sadak Yojana on the third phase. Then we talk about the health systems and education system. Now under the education system and health systems, we have the following statistics which is available for you. We have also covered this under the union budget highlights in Yojana. So more or less there are similar contents this time. The next is tourism. Now this is indeed a very important topic. We have National Institute of Hospitality, more than 10,000 tourist guides who have been trained. The idea of ecotourism in the regions of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir, Western Ghats, Buddhist tourism circuits being developed in northeastern states, a national destination digital knowledge grid being established, and 15 different archaeological sites which are examples of living heritage to be established. Rural credit being provided under the PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana for micro credits to the rural areas. So those are some of the key aspects that have been discussed here. So Seeds Act, MSME, AI data centers, rural budget, transport, tourism, then talking about the gender budgeting and women-led beneficiaries for Viksit Bharat were some of the key highlights that have been discussed in this edition. So this was for today. Thanks for joining, and of course we do bring in the summary for Yojana and Kurukshetra every month. So stay tuned for more updates. Have a great day.